Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In the earlier session, we had seen data filtering in data frames in Pandas. And in today's session, let's see how we can replace values in columns based on some conditions. Suppose we have details in the data frame and we want to replace the column values, then we can achieve it with the help of dataframe.loc method, np.where method, dataframe.mask methods. So there are three methods in which by which we can replace values in columns based on some conditions. So firstly, let me say import pandas as pd. Let me export my Excel sheet. So it is in d.employee.xlsx. Now let me print my df, run the code. So we get the following output on our display. So now I want to replace the column values using some conditions. Firstly, let me create a new column called salary category and let me assign the value as low to all the rows. So let me say df of salary category. Let me give an underscore here. This is my new column which I am creating and I'm assigning the value equal to low. So now when I run the code, now let me say print df, a new column salary category has been added and all the values has been assigned to low. Now these values I want to change based on some condition. I want to change the column values based on some conditions by using the loc method. So df.loc, then I have to give the column name, then the condition, the new column or existing column and the value. So df.loc, this is the method which I am using, and the column name. So it is df of salary. Then I have to give the condition greater than 50,000 I'm giving. So df of loc, df of salary greater than 50,000. Then I want to change in df salary category. So I'm giving a comma. I want to change which column? Salary category. And what is the value which I have to give? Then I have to give equal to high. So friends, here with the help of df I am checking for the condition where salary is greater than 50,000. Then I am telling assign high value to salary category. So when the condition salary is greater than 50,000, salary category should become high. Now let me run the code. Let me say df. So here I got it as high because the salary is greater than 50,000. So only one column, the column in one of in one column in the salary category column, one of the row, the value has been assigned high because it satisfies the condition. So in this way, with the help of df.loc, I can change the column values based on some conditions. Now let me use another condition. For this, let me say import numpy as np. So now I'm using with the help of np.where. So what column I want to change? The age column. np.where age is less than 20, I have to give the value equal to 18. Otherwise, I have to retain the same age value. So, df of age equal to np.where df of age greater than less than 20, lesser than 20, then I want to make it as 18, else I want to retain the same age which is there in the column previously. So what column value I want to change? The age column value. When I want to change? When the age is less than 20. To what value I want to change? To 18. Otherwise, what I should do? I have to retain df of age, that is the existing age column values. So now let me run the code. Now let me say df. So when age is less than 20, where and all age is less than 20, where it is less than 20 at 18 and 19, so 0 and 1. So when it is less than 20, I should make it as 18. So 0 and 1 column should have the age value equal to 18. So 0 and 1 row value has got the age value equal to 18. So with the help of where, np.where, I am modifying the existing column values to a new column value. So firstly we saw with the help of df.loc method, then np.where. Now let's move on to the third method. Okay, in the np.where, let's work out with the multiple conditions. df of salary is the column which I want to change, equal to np.where and then df of age greater than 20. This I have to include within parenthesis, and df of yoj equal to 2003. This also have to include within parenthesis. So friends, here which column value I want to change? It is the salary column. So it should come to the left of the equal to symbol. Then I have to use np.where. Then I have to use df of age. Condition I have to use where age is greater than 20 and yoj is equal to 2003. Then to what value I want to change? I want to make it as 50,000, else I want to retain the original salary itself. So I want to make the new value equal to 50,000 when this condition gets satisfied. Otherwise, I want to retain the original salary value itself. So let me explain once again. The salary column I want to modify. I want to change the value when, where the condition where age is greater than 20 and year of joining is equal to 2003. I want to make it as 50,000, else I have to retain my existing salary value itself. So now let me run the code. Now when I say df, so age was greater than 20. So it is, what was my condition? Greater than 20. Age was greater than 20 and year was 2003. So it became 50,000. Here also age was greater than 20. Year was 2003. So it has become 50,000. And here age was greater than 20, year was equal to 2003, so it has become 50,000. So I have modified the column values based on some conditions using the where method with multiple conditions. Now lastly, let's look into the mask method and see how we can change the column values. So df of yoj, year of joining, dot mask. What is the condition? Where year of joining is less than or equal to 2001. So df of year of joining less than or equal to 2001. What should be the value? It should be 2000. Then I'm giving in place is equal to true. So now when I run the code, now let me say df. Okay. So whenever my year of joining is less than or equal to 2001. So where and all it is less than or equal to 2001. So here it is 2001. So it is equal to 2001. So when it is equal to 2001, I have to make it as 2000. So in the one index value, let's see what the output is. It is 2000. So when it is equal to or less than 2001, I am making it equal to 2000. So and next is at the 6th and the 7th column, 6, 7 and 10th column, 10th row. So 6, 7, 10th all have been modified into 2000. So with the help of mask, we are changing YOJ column. When YOJ is less than or equal to 2001, I am giving the value equal to 2000 and in place is true, so the data frame itself gets modified. So friends, in this session we saw how we can replace column values based on some conditions. Firstly, we saw with the help of df.loc method. Secondly, we saw with np.where method. And thirdly, we saw with the mask method. Hope so friends, it is clear for you how we can replace values in columns based on some conditions. It can be a single condition, multiple condition, and the methods are df.loc, np.where and mask methods. Hope so friends, it is clear for you. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.